Hey everyone, I have a slight correction for you guys. When we are working on 2.8 and using Cramer's rule on the backside of the assignment, here's how we're going to start it up. We're going to start with x. And I'm only going to do the matrix part for x because then we can just plug the answer in to get y. So what we're going to do on the top is find the determinant of the matrix without the x's. And then on the bottom, we're going to find the determinant of just the coefficients. And this part we did together in the notes. And then the part that I need to add for you guys is that it's going to be negative whatever that is. So we need this extra negative out front. Okay, and I would just deal with it last. For instance, I'm just going to put it out front like this. And then we have the determinant up here, which is negative 9 minus negative 4 times 16 is negative 64. And on bottom, we have negative 8 minus 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so remember you're doing your right diagonal minus your left diagonal. Don't forget that you're subtracting there. So we're going to have negative, and then negative 9, this is going to become plus 64 because we have two negatives, is 55, over negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11. Now, 55 divided by negative 11 is negative 5. And then this negative out here cancels it out. So x is actually positive 5. And then I'm going to plug in 5 for x into the bottom equation. So then I subtract this 5 to the other side, and that leaves me with negative 4y equals negative 8, or y equals 2. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you guys just because there was a little bit of a mistake in the notes last time. Again, the only mistake was that the x needs to be an opposite. If I were to do this whole thing with y's also, the same thing would happen. Okay, coming over here, negative, and then I'm going to put my matrix or my determinant on top without the x's. So negative 5, 3, 8, negative 18. So basically cover up the x's, and that's what you have left. And on the bottom, cover up the answers, and you just want the coefficients. So 4, negative 5, 2, 3. Okay, on top we have positive 90 minus 24. And on the bottom we have 12 minus negative 10. Okay, 90 minus 24 is 66. And 12 minus negative 10 becomes 12 plus 10, which is 22. And negative 66 divided by 22 is negative 3. Okay, one thing. Notice how over here I left the negative out front, and over here I put it on the top. You could also put it on the bottom if you wanted to. It's the same thing if it's out front, on top, or on the bottom. So now my x value is negative 3. Okay, so then we plug that back in for x right here. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 minus 5y equals 8. And I need to add this 12 to the other side. So I get negative 5y equals 20. And y equals negative 4. And over here I should have put an x equals.